Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my top 5 reviewed guns of 2020. And basically guys, I'm going to be going a short, little, brief review out of 5 guns that I reviewed all through this year. So, let's get into the first blaster, and let's see how it begins. Okay guys, so the first blaster in my top 5 is the Nerf Mach 100. Basically guys, this is a hopper-fed, fully automatic blaster, which is just like the Nerf rival Pierces in kind of ways. This blaster shoots from 45 to 80 feet per second. So up here you get your barrel, no barrel attachment, an iron sight right here, a little rubber up at the rail, hopper, stock, rev trigger, normal trigger right here, your lock, and you have your battery right here, and you have your extra to get any engage malfunctions. So yeah guys, this is the Nerf Mach 100, and this is my first blaster for the top 5. So let's get to the next one, shall we? Okay, now the second blaster in the top 5 is the Nerf Ultra Select. Basically, this is a fully automatic blaster that uses 2 magazines. It's magazine fed, of course, and this blaster has a fire rate of 125 feet per second. Basically guys, you have your barrel look up here, iron sight, chemical rail, carry handle, access door, get any malfunctions. Back here you have your battery tray right here. You have your sling mount, your stock, your red trigger right here, your normal trigger, and you have your handling over here so you can prime back to go to a different magazine. How cool is that, right? And now guys, oh yeah, by the way, you got 2 other sling mounts back here. And by the way guys, if you want to get your magazines out, all you have to do is press this button right here. Press 1 to get 1 out. Back here. Or if you want them both out, press the 2 levers, press them down, and they both come out. Like so. So yeah guys, this is the second one. And so, let's get to the third blaster, shall we? Okay guys, so now down to the third blaster in my top 5. It is the Nerf rival Curve Shot Helix. Basically guys, this is a dirty round hopper fed blaster that's spring action and pump action. This blaster has a 94 feet per second accuracy of firing. This is in line with the other rival Curve Shot series of blasters, which I have on my rival wall over here. And you can tell it is Curve Shot because it has the barrel that curves in different directions. Up here, you have the iron sight right here. You have your axle to get out any engine malfunctions. You have your hopper back here to open and put in your ammo. Right there. You have a trigger right here, and your priming unit right here. This priming allows you to pump the blaster, and now you're ready to fire. And back here, you have your unjam tool right here. This allows you to unjam the button to allow you to manually override the system to make the ball come out. But yeah, oh yeah, and right here guys, you have your safety. This allows you to unlock the blaster whenever you need it to. That's on lock now, so you can't press it or fire it now. So now guys, let's get to the fourth blaster. Okay guys, now time for the fourth blaster in the top 5, and this is the Nerf Modulus ECS-10. Basically guys, this is a semi-automatic blaster, which is a 5-wheel powered. This blaster has a fire rate of 78 feet per second. this blaster has a bunch of attachments, like the barrel attachment. You have your strap. You have your thing. I forgot what it's called, but you have a little. Here's a couple right here. You got the little on top. You have your scope. You have the extra right here to get my function. Right here, you have your stock right here. Right here, guys, you have your stock button right here. I mean, your switch. I make it go down and make it easy come out. And when it comes to the barrel, guys, all you gotta do is twist it like this, and it'll come out like that. And there goes your barrel level right there. And you have two inch-right tactical rails on your barrel right here, one right here, and two right here. Now here you have your red trigger right here. Right here you have your right here you have your normal trigger. Right here you have your magazine release. This allows you to take out the magazine and reload. And you have like a little grip right here. You just have your hand right the blaster right here. And you got you have two coils right here, 1 and 2. But yeah, guys, this is the 4th blaster. It's a nice blaster. I put it at 4 because it's not the best. It's not the worst. It's like it's okay for me. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's the 4th blaster in my top 5. So let's go to the 5th. Okay, guys, now time for the 5th blaster in my top 5, and this is the Nerf Mega Twinshock. Basically, guys, this is a spring-powered pump-action blaster with a front AR system, and this blaster holds 30 rounds. This blaster has a fire rate of 33 feet per second, which is pretty kind of low for the Mega series. Well, it might be in line with the Mega series of how it shoots because it's pump, and some of them are AR and Gatling, but yeah, it's still fine. Up front, as I said, you have your front AR system. You have your iron sight right here, a tactical rail, another tactical rail, a sling mount, your handle, your trigger right here to allow you to fire the blaster, and your priming handle right here. It allows you to pump the blaster. And basically, that's all for the Twinshock. And the reason why is at the bottom is because the one, it kind of beats the rival Curveshot Helix because it's pumped, because it holds, even though it holds a 30 the same, it still feel more comfortable in my hands. The Twinshock is okay. I like more automatics sometimes, even though the Curveshot Helix is not automatic. It's still much more better than a Twinshock in my case. But yeah, guys, that's all the blasters up for the top 5. And now I'm gonna get to a firing test. I'm gonna let you know how it goes. Okay guys, so I just got done doing the front test for the 5 blasters. The blaster shot as expectedly. I did not experience any damage in my functions during my firing procedures of firing the blasters. Yeah guys, that's basically it for the video. And I'm just gonna say all the videos I made throughout this year was really like a big success. Because of all those guns, I kept posting and posting for you guys to watch. If you want to see more, just keep liking and subscribing. I'll get my work up and then I'll post for y'all. Yeah, but I've been 2021 with the Nerf blasters I've got throughout this year. I would say they're all good. They're all good. Even there's one blaster I had that's not nerfed, but that one's still good too. But yeah, guys, 2021 has been, it's been good, and it also had its ups and downs. But that's how life goes. But yeah, guys, this is my last video for 2021, and I hope you guys enjoy your New Year's. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Failure number 215 is out. You know, 2021 last video. You made it. God bless and happy New Year.
It's the R-E-double-G-I-E. So many things that I want to do. Can't even go out to get some food.
Peace.
I'm just tired of being in the house. Wanna touch, wanna kiss, baby girl, let me stretch you out.
Monkey.